Summers is almost here, and this is the time when we love having cold drinks and looking out for other cool beverages. But the sodas, juices and the mocktails that we consume has loads of sugar in it. Now in today's video, we are going to talk about 4 summer drinks for weight loss. Number 1 comes cucumber detox drink. Now cucumber is a must-have during the summer season. Rich in water, vitamin B, potassium and magnesium, cucumber also helps in losing weight. Number 2 comes the orange detox drink. Now oranges are loaded with vitamin C, which is good for immunity and skin. It also helps in converting fat into energy instead of storing it in the body. Number 3 is mint Shia seed drink. Now Shia seeds works like magic if you're looking for weight loss. It also detoxifies your body and keeps you full throughout the day. Number 4 and last is apple cinnamon drink. Now apple and cinnamon is a great fat burning combination. Take a bottle of water, add a piece of cinnamon and some sliced apples and keep sipping it the entire day.